What if staying silent too long makes the world forget you exist? In our journey, many believe effort alone guarantees success. But does effort without strategy truly win? Hard work matters, yet direction matters more, like wind guiding a sail. Think of a light that glows nonstop in a silent room. People stop noticing it. Only when it flickers do eyes return. But if it keeps flickering, what then? Once, a quiet factory employee arrived daily with unwavering focus. He rarely spoke, never bragged, believing mastery alone would defend his value. An experienced mentor once said, "Make yourself skilled enough that no one can easily replace you." He followed those words faithfully. Yet promotions passed him by like trains leaving the station. Why? He wondered. Do less capable people rise while I remain unseen? After years, frustration grew. He visited his mentor again. "I do everything right," he said. "I am the most trained person in that building, yet my pay is frozen." The mentor asked gently, "Do you believe you truly matter there?" The young man nodded. Then the mentor said, "Try something tomorrow. Take a day off and watch what happens." He rested. The next day, his manager called him in. The factory had struggled without him. His absence unexpectedly revealed his worth. He was promoted and celebrated. Grateful, he thought he'd found a formula. Each time he felt overlooked, he would disappear for a day, and each time he returned, results favored him. But patterns have unseen consequences. After months, he arrived at the gate as usual, only to find it shut. His name removed from the list, his badge refused. Shocked, he hurried to his mentor. "Why did this happen?" "I only followed your advice." The craftsman sighed and said, "You heard only half the teaching. If you shine continuously, people might overlook your glow. But if you turn off again and again, they'll search for light that never fails." Consistency is power even silence can't hide. In life, we sometimes wait for absence to prove importance, but repeated absence damages trust. Would you rely on someone who vanishes whenever approval is needed? Think about relationships. Family and friends who stand beside us daily are often unnoticed until one day they're gone. Why wait for absence to teach us gratitude? Appreciation should speak before silence forces it. True value isn't about proving superiority. It's about showing reliability with humility. The mentor explained, "Balance is the true skill. Show your worth, but don't manipulate it. Be skilled, but dependable. Take rest, but don't make absence your language. Let your actions speak, yet let your presence speak louder." Life rewards those who stay steady and honest in their mission. So ask yourself, are you quietly waiting to be noticed? Or are you building a reputation others can rely on every single day? Perhaps the challenge isn't being the best secretly, but being the best consistently. Many people wait for miracles without preparing for them. They assume recognition arrives like thunder, but thunder only follows lightning. So first, become the lightning through actions that speak. Success doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers to those who listen. The world may not reward the loudest, but it remembers those who remain dependable when challenges appear. Reliability plants deeper roots than ambition alone. So build wisely, value others, value yourself, and let your presence be felt with purpose. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wisdom Vickey. Before you go, ask yourself, what would change if you chose steady commitment over silent resentment?